In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Proforma Invoice Estimate in Zoho Books. We'll start by building a quote and then relabeling its template so it reads as a Proforma when you export or share it. This approach keeps your bookkeeping clean while giving customers a clear, professional document before invoicing. From your Zoho Books dashboard, head to the sales section, then open Quotes. This is where you'll manage estimates, which will adapt into a Proforma. Click the new button to create a fresh quote. First, select the customer. Choose the correct contact so billing and address details pull in automatically. If you're working with a new customer, ensure their profile is complete so the document looks polished and accurate. Next, set the quote date to reflect when you're issuing the Proforma. Then choose an expiry date. This is helpful to define how long your pricing is valid, which reduces back and forth later and keeps your terms clear. Add your line items by selecting the product or service. Confirm quantities, rates, and any applicable taxes or discounts. Use item descriptions to clarify scope if needed. Clear details now, prevent confusion later. Keep an eye on the subtotal and tax amounts to make sure everything calculates correctly. When you're happy with the contents, click Save as Draft. Saving as a draft ensures nothing is sent out prematurely, and you can make edits as needed before sharing the document. Now let's make this read as a Proforma. Open the settings using the gear icon at the top of the page. Go to PDF templates, then choose the section for quotes. Find the template you use for estimates and click Edit. Within the editor, open transaction details and then document details. Turn on Show Document Title so the label appears on the PDF. In the title field, type the word Proforma. This simple change tells your customer exactly what kind of document they're receiving without affecting your accounting workflow. Use Refresh Preview to confirm the new title displays properly and that the layout still looks right. If everything checks out, click Save to apply the template changes. That's it. Your quote will now appear as a Proforma when you download, print, or share it. You can continue sending it as a draft or finalize it when ready. And when the customer approves, you can convert the quote into a standard invoice directly in Zoho Books, keeping the entire process consistent and traceable. Thanks for watching, and follow these steps whenever you need a clean, professional Proforma in just a few clicks.